An iron box is a very essential item to own in your home. Due to the piling up of mineral deposits and limescale at the sole plate of the iron box, it becomes hectic to figure out how to effectively remove the disappointing stains which affect your fresh laundered bright clothes. For this particular reason, you can adopt some of the effective ways to clean the iron box sole plate appropriately. In today's video, you will know how to clean your iron box Solephate. 1. White toothpaste. This method is very effective at home by just smearing the white toothpaste on all the affected parts of the iron box sole plate. Leave the paste to react with the particular stain on the iron box sole plate for just a little moment. Add water to your iron box tank and set it to steam mode to get hot appropriately. Use a towel to wipe off the applied toothpaste at the sole plate adequately by ironing the piece of towel several times. You will notice the disappearance of the stubborn stains suddenly after this process. 2. Common salt. The second effective way to clean the iron box sole plate appropriately is by use of common table salt. Take a piece of a clean towel and sprinkle the table salt evenly on it. Connect your iron box to the source of power and turn it on to acquire normal heat at the sole plate effectively. Glide the iron box diligently on the piece of towel containing the table salt several times repeatedly. Finish off by switching off the power and wipe off any salty residues present on the iron box sole plate. You will eventually notice a glowing appearance of the entire iron box sole plate. If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. 3. Paracetamol Tablets. The first thing to consider is to powering up your iron box to achieve maximum heat. Take some paracetamol tablets and grind them adequately to form a powder and ultimately sprinkle them on a piece of clean towel effectively. Take your hot iron box and glide it appropriately over the paracetamol powder sprinkled on the piece of towel earlier effectively. Switch off the power of the iron box and wipe off the residues on the iron box sole plate with a clean piece of cloth. Check well to confirm the shining sparkle coming from the iron box sole plate. Ensure that you take safety precautions when working with the hot iron box in this cleaning process to avoid any unnecessary accidents that may arise due to getting burnt while carrying out the entire steps, unfortunately. If you like this video, share with friends and family.